Hello guys, welcome to this particular session of OS model. In our last section, we're able to get our current working directory. So in this video, we are going to able to change our current working directory, because if I was to print or list everything that is our current working directory currently, it's going to give me what is our working directory. So let's say in a situation I want to go into this document, for example, this is my PC, and then I go into this local, and then I want to get everything that is in this. Because so let me just go here better. I just go into, I want to get everything that is this my directory here. So how can we achieve this? So let's go back to our VS Code. Let me comment this out. So I can say there's want to make you. I'm going to make use of a function. The function name is called os.chdir. So to apply, we're going to say os.chdir. What does this mean? It means os.change directory. This dir stands for directory, and this ch is for change. So if I was to print this out, I'm going to get an error, because this function requires some parameters to be set. Let me output. You can see I got an error, type error. The chdir required argument, which is that of push. So which directory do we want to give it when it comes to this the directory that I want to navigate to? So let's say in a situation I want to navigate to this document. I can come here to directly copy it. I can copy. Okay, sorry, not know how to copy it. I can just come to this properties, come to security. Yeah, this is security. Come to security. Then I'm going to copy this part, this guy. As I'm just going to copy it, and then come here, make a kind of a string, then put it. So let me make sure to move this out. In this way, when we run this, it's going to give us a little bit of error, because we cannot, this slash just is not something that I want to put. For us to put this slash, if you have to run this, Python is not going to recognize this. Okay, let's run it and see how it. You can see 23 XS escape is a type of Unicode escape code that cannot decode by its position 223. For us to handle this kind of problem, we can decide to put a double slash here, and a double slash here. And another way is to put our R here, so it can able to decode the byte. So if I put our R here, it can be handled. So let me, and before, since I want to change the directory, so we don't need to print out the directory in this way. So we're going to change our current working directory. When we're done changing our current working directory, we're going to try to get our current working directory. Let's see whether it took effect. So let's run. You can see, and okay, let me drag it into it. You can see here I will say c/user/document, which is definitely what I copied here. So if I don't put this, let me try to get in our current working directory. You can see it changes to default our current default working directory. So this helps us to change that. So how, like I said, we want to also print out list everything that is currently on our directory, because if I go to this directory here, document, all these are full of a whole lot of things. So I want to list them out. So how can we do that? I can use what is called, okay, let me go back. We can use what is called os.list.der. So okay, let me say os.list. What do I want to list? All the directories. So let me just put this. This is a function. So let me run this. It's going to list everything that is in it. Well, let me go up a little bit. Okay, let me just, okay, okay, turn it in form of list. Okay, let's go. You can see here this Bandicam, best spread, blue star, CapCut, all of them. Okay, let me go back. You can see this is what is actually just listed out for us. But you notice something here too. It was able to sort all these our values. Or I can see the name of our files together, or folders. We're able to sort it proper according to alphabetically. You can see this handicap of a guy was B, and then blue star, then you know what our alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So it was able to sort all these things basically properly well. You can see the advantage of this list. And this particular position, now if I want to enter a particular folder, like I know that this spread is a folder. Let me go back. This guy is a folder, so I can one way or the other navigate into it. I can also try to make this os.change directly. I can come here to I can come down here and say maybe index 0. You get? Okay, let me try doing an example. I can come here since I already know this band, this os, this spread is in particular 0. I can come here and say where is the list directly. Like I know it's in there's one. That's what I can say. Oh, let me just copy this guy again. I can say let me store this in a variable. Let me call it var. You can come here and make okay. At this point, we can let's not use this out. Let's make use of a string. And I'll come here and put this double slash. So I can come here and say double slash and then our extra I can come here and say our var. So let's list everything that is in this of our this current directory will work, because what we did was to enter inside this directory here, which is this thread, and then we put it in that part of our path by storing it, forgetting it here, and then storing it inside there, and then putting just like saying user document slash best spread, and then we're going to list everything that is this of our current working directory. So let's run this. You can see there's a CSV file and a PY file. Let me go back there. See, when you come here, you can see a CSV and the PY file. So this is just basically what I want us to cover in this video. Don't worry if you are getting any confused, as we'll go on more. I'm going to enjoy what this OS model does. So if you okay, also remember that for this this pathway is also that of this is particular for Windows type of writing going to a particular path. But when it comes to Linux or Mac OS, is always kind of a forward slash, something like this. Let me change this guy. Something like this. A forward slash. I can see in Windows always a backslash, like when I copy. I can see in Mac OS something like this. So if you're using Windows, this is the backslash is the right way to do it. But if you're using Mac OS or Linux, the forward slash is how it's being done. Enjoy this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.